What are you doing? That's not good that you do that. Why are you doing that? That's bad. That's bad. No, 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 you stay there. You shouldn't be taking the neighbor's seat cushions like that. He told me about you. Yes, and now I caught you red-handed. I saw you up on the fence with it in your mouth. Yeah. Why are you doing that? You making a nest? You don't do that to my cushions. This is Mama. You don't do that to my cushions. I told him that. That looks so funny with a big white. Don't you come in here. Hey, you stop. Stop. No. Stay there, Mama. Hold on. You go. I can't walk by my door and see something that doesn't make me laugh out there with these animals. This morning it was birds, and now it's squirrels, and now it's that tree. I was just standing here admiring the tree, and Mama showed up on the top of the fence over there with a big white wad of something, and I couldn't tell what it was. It's really been hard rain all day. But yeah, my neighbor told me they're eating his cushions. He never sits out there. They're old cushions, he said, but they don't eat my cushions. Oh, look at this. How cute. Nobody lives in the birdhouse. Only got a wet pigeon. I was just coming to make my dinner, and now they distracted me. I gotta go before they all start showing up. One more blast of that white. Rain really makes it pop. Really does. So beautiful. White dogwood. Old world dogwood. The contrast. Hey, you go away. What? You're just sitting on a birdhouse. Dahlia. It's beautiful. Peace.